This is the Morento air purifier for small rooms. It comes with a user manual with some really easy to read and easy to follow instructions. So when you get this, it's pretty simple. The power cord, which I've already plugged in and everything, is inside of here. You just turn that to the left. The power cord's stuck inside of here. You can see the filter here. It's an H13 true HEPA filter. Just put that in there. You put it back in there. Lock that in place and you're done. You've got 4 little rubber feet in the bottom. Simple to use. Literally, you just press the button, you turn it on, it goes into sleep mode. Press it again, it goes into low mode. On high mode, you can definitely hear it. It sounds like an air purifier. If you press it again, it goes into off mode. What I like about this, with the circular filter and the way they've designed it, it draws air from all 4 sides. On the top here, the cap can be removed. And if you wanted to, you could throw some kind of aromatherapy scent in there, like an essential oil or something like that. And last but not least, the only thing you need to remember on this is if you want to, you can press and hold this button for 3 seconds. You can see it flashing. It goes into 4-hour timer mode, so it'll just shut off after 4 hours. You press and hold this for 7 seconds, and it does a filter reset. Pretty easy to use, extremely simple, great for allergies, pet odors, that kind of stuff in a small room. Comes in black and white. The Morento air purifier.